Do you wish you had a popular blog that made you extra income? Well, you've come to the right place because in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a popular blog that makes an income. Watch this video to the end to learn the easiest and most profitable way to make an income from your blog. Hi, I'm Jo Randolph and I'm a branding expert based in London, and I help you become an expert and leader in the field you care about most. On this channel, I'll show you how to get highly paid doing meaningful work so you can actually make money doing work that makes a difference in the world. If you'd like to learn how to do this, come and join me and subscribe. This way you learn everything you need to know to build the career you love. Anyways, let's get right into it. The fact that you're watching this video tells me that you have an idea for a blog, or you've already created a blog, but you have one big problem. You aren't getting any traffic to it, or worse, you aren't even making money from it even when you are getting traffic from it. And this is a real challenge because you don't want to waste time creating a blog that nobody reads, and you certainly don't want to waste time creating a blog that people read but you don't actually make any money from it. Because let's be real, wouldn't it be amazing to start making an income, whether it's a passive income where you have a full-time job and you're making money on the side, or better, your blog actually helps you to create a career and business working on the topics that you care about most. So I'm going to be really frank with you to try and help you get clear on exactly what you need to do to transition from creating a blog into one that's actually a business and that's making you an income. Okay, so let's first start by discussing the two mistakes you want to avoid that will stop you from getting both traffic and money from your blog. The first mistake is that you treat your blog like a hobby and not a job. Now, this is a mistake that I made. Back in the day, I used to have a blog that generated over 1 million views a month, and it was really a hobby for me. I would write about music, entertainment, fashion, and lifestyle, and it was so much fun. But here was the problem. At the time, I was making zero money from it. I mean, I made a few £100s from time to time, but I wasn't making a consistent income from it. And it's because I wasn't treating it like a job. And to be fair, when you think about a lot of bloggers and also vloggers, which is really the video form of kind of blogging, is that a lot of people write about what they are interested in. And they write about what they feel like writing about when they feel like writing. And the challenge with this is that you're really writing for yourself. And that's not what actually helps you get lots of traffic, because what gets people visiting your website and what gets people wanting to pay you because of the value that you're creating is because you've created a blog that delivers something valuable to other people. What this basically means is that your blog helps to solve someone else's problem. The second mistake I see a lot of people make is they write about what they are interested in, but they don't write about what other people are interested in. This is a huge mistake because let's be real, why should someone visit your website to read about what you are interested in? People visit your website, and that's really how websites get lots of traffic, is because you're writing about things that they want to know. So the easiest way to get lots of traffic is to try and think about who your market is. Who is it that you're trying to work with? Who is it that you're trying to help in their life or in their business? And what problems do they have? And how can your blog help them to solve multiple of those problems? Now, websites, it doesn't matter whether you look at entertainment websites, fashion websites, lifestyle websites, business websites, they're very good at giving you educational and informational knowledge on their website, which is really what keeps you coming back for more. So if you want people to come and visit your website regularly, and it's not just your mom or your wife or husband or your friends looking at it, then really think about who is it that you really want to serve and create your blog around that. Now, we don't have enough time to kind of go into depth into how to do this, but if you want to learn how to do this, I invite you to sign up for my free Become an Expert consultation. It's a consultation with you and me where we'll help you visualize and clarify exactly which market you want to serve. But for now, I'm going to share what I can so that you can actually get started right now. The big question is, how do you write what people want to know and get paid to do it? It's really just two things, and if you know and do these two things, then you'll be in a really great position to not only get traffic from your blog, but to also get money from your blog, which would be amazing. So the first thing that you need to do is get really clear on your audience. You want to kind of imagine and visualize your ideal client or customer and see them as a person and really get clear on who it is that you want to serve, what their hopes and dreams are, what their fears are, and get really clear on their kind of more front of mind problem that they really need solved. If you solve this problem with your blog, then it makes it really clear for you to figure out what topics to write about. It makes it clear which channels you need to be on, which social media channels you need to be on to reach to them, and how you can really communicate things in a way that helps them get results. Because when you help people get results from your blog, well, they're much more likely to buy from you, because they don't just want free advice, they actually now want to work with you. Which brings me on to my second point, which is you want to create a product. Now, this is something that I wish I had known back in the day when I had my blog that generated over 1 million views, because I didn't get it. I really didn't get it. A lot of people, when they talk about blogs, they say, you can make money through affiliate marketing and all that sort of stuff. The thing is, here's the thing with affiliate marketing and promoting other people's products, or even working with brands, is that your income is largely dependent on what you sell, like other people's products that you sell. And you'll typically make a small commission off that. And unless you have huge volumes of traffic and you have a huge number of people clicking on your links and buying, what you will tend to find is that you won't actually make a lot of money for a while. And you know what, in the long term, the best thing you can do so you can actually become an expert and leader in your industry is to create your own products, to create your own services. Now, this can be an online course, this can be a coaching program, this can be a training program, this can be a physical product. There's a variety of different ways that you can actually help the people that you want to serve. And if you get really clear on what product would best help their front of mind problem, then that's where you're going to really get the cash. Because you'll be doing something that because you'll be creating a blog that not only helps them to solve their problems, but you'll also be creating a product that helps them to get the results they're looking for much faster. And this is always so much more valuable than simply selling affiliate sales. Anyways, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. But before we go, I'd love to know, do you know who your target audience is? Let us know in the comment box below. Tell me who you're trying to serve. It'll be really interesting to learn, what market you're in and what kind of work you want to do on your blog. So thanks so much for watching this video. If you want to get more support and guidance on how to become an expert and a leader in your industry, book a Become an Expert free consultation with you and me. Now, I don't know how many people are going to sign up, so if lots of people sign up, then I won't be able to do this with everybody, but if you sign up now before I get completely booked, then you and I can actually go through and visualize what you want to do with your career, with your blog, and also how you can become an expert and leader in the industry that you care about, and also what might be sabotaging your success in the areas that you want to work in, and also how to feel energized and renewed after the session. So just book that consultation, just click on the link in the description box, and yeah, that's it. Thanks so much for watching this video. Sending you lots of love and wishing you an amazing day. Ooh, and next week, I'm actually going to be building on this video. So next week, I'll actually be talking about how to grow your subscribers, because when you grow your subscribers, your email list, that is actually how you are able to connect your audience with your products. Your email list is sort of in the middle, and I'll actually teach you how to do that, how to get your email list so you can actually sell your products and start making money from your blog.